Yo, guys, what's up? Mm, 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 mm. So I'm feeling better today, and I think we can complete a lot of tasks today. And we have left a lot of things to do. So today it's gonna be a whole day session of Gilly Danda, but I'm busy from 1 p.m. to 2 to 3 p.m. I guess, and after that I am free. After that, we are gonna be adding some new features to it. By the new features, I don't mean any gameplay features, but the other features that we require for now. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. But first, we have to start from yesterday's task that we partially completed. And for the first thing, mm, I think I should get my charger. Wait a second, guys. Wait a second, guys. Wait a second. Whew. Why is this taking so much longer to load up? I think I should listen to some music, so I'm gonna disable this so that I don't get any copyright strikes. And I'm gonna be listening. What the fuck? First, yesterday, I think we have fixed. Let me check again. But I think we have achieved after every turn change, the next player gets to put the fielders. But we had an issue that after the first fielder initializes the AI fielders, then the second player, when the second player gets the chance to put the AI fielders, then I don't think he was able to put the fielders. I don't know why that happened, but I think it could be cause of the cause of the input thing because we have input directly in one script, and I don't think Fusion or Unity knows how to how to divide input between two users. So that's totally the case. I know about it. And in this stream, I think our main goal will be to fix that thing, and also apply a little bit of movement to the AI filters. So one of the AI filters which closest to the destination can move towards the destination, which will be a really good thing. Instead of moving all three filters, which could look like a code-driven movement, we can just calculate the distance between the AI filters and the landing position, and we should only enable the movement for the AI that is closest to the landing position. I think that makes sense because not all fielders will be running towards the gilly if it is far away from them and it's towards their friend. So I think that totally makes sense. First, let me check some things. Oh, what the hell? I should get three fielders, right? Yeah, one, two, three. I have three fielders. Wait a second. I think one, two, three. See, the input is not working for the second player after the turn changes, and I don't have any fielders, but I can see them. Yesterday I saw them. Yeah, I saw them spawn randomly. So I think this could be the case. If no input is given, then they spawn randomly or spawn at a given location. I think that totally could be the case. But I think I messed up one thing that see for second player the input is working, but for the first player the input is not working. And one more thing, I thought if I am gonna reduce my texture of audio, then my music is not gonna come in the stream, but it is getting the stream through the mic. So basically, my laptop is playing the music on speaker, and the microphone is taking that input. So it's basically the same thing as this. So it does not matter. So I think I should wear headphone now. That could be better. And first of all, I want to change this song. Just a second. I wanna hear this song. Okay, this is good. First, let's fix the input thing. Okay, ChatGPT has given me one solution, so let's check if that works. Let the man out of the city, let the city of the man, let the man out of the back in Chicago, I'm feeling another one of So we need. Give myself what I'm supposed to do. Wait a second, guys. I got a call. Guys, I'm back. I'm back. I just got a call from my friend. Where were we? Scripted screen mainly AI placement. Okay. We can we can use this method in this AI field manager script. That's what ChatGPT is telling me to do. So let's see if this works. We're gonna use a boolean method, and we're gonna check from game manager if game manager is null, then we return false, else we return what do we return? I think you guys should hear the music as well. Fuck copyright. Is this good amount of sound? I think it is. Let me open YouTube if someone's watching, so I can talk to that guy or you guys. Sound? I think it is. Let me open YouTube if okay. And we do take the current striker. If current striker is what the fuck? No, we don't have runner here. So we need fusion. I think we need fusion for the. We have fusion right here. Then why is this runner thing? I think we have to get this runner component as well because we don't have anything. So this is network runner, I guess. So now we have this. Now we enable the placement input with our update method. We enable this if we are not local fielder, then we are gonna return. So after that we have our input and everything is. Do you guys think this is gonna make this work? But I don't think this is gonna make it work because I felt like we had to work around with network input data, and I thought that's how we're gonna take the input for this get mouse button 0. For this, I thought we are gonna pass the input data from our network input or whatever the script that we have running for other movements as well. And after we get that input, then here we will check if it's from local filter. Then only after that we should be able to validate that the local filter is making the input. So by then I don't know how it sound, but I thought that was gonna be a proper method. But if this works, it's simpler than that. I won't be needing that if this works, but if this does not work, I have to go it a bit harder way. That's what I think. Okay, to complete this, we should give our runner. It should be around here, network runner. Save this. Let's go to. Back to being friends when you just said. Wait a second. I can't start this as host. I have to start this as client. Don't go back to being friends when you just said. So this is gonna be filter now. So I want one here, and one here. Now it is. Let's go. I still don't think we are gonna be able to put different. See, I told you guys about this. I knew this was not gonna work. So let's do it the hard way. I still have a little bit of cold left. You guys can hear, I guess. Um, what the hell? We have 3 watching. Hello guys, welcome to the stream. I didn't know you guys are watching. So if you guys saw, we have a problem right now that after the turn changes, the next player is not able to give the input. What the fuck? You left. One of you guys left, and we have to fix that by making by creating a valid input system so that every player has access to that input, but only the fielder can walk around with that input. That's what our goal is right now, and I hope you guys are able to hear my voice. And if you guys, whoever you guys are, you guys can just start chatting, and we guys can talk for some times if you guys want. Now let me check. Right now we have 2 input system mixed. One is on input, one is local update. That's why the player 2 sometimes does not place. So we should be we need a bull. Correct. Red flag. What the fuck, correct? Why red flag? Hello, correct. Hello, correct. And guys, I'll show you one thing. You see this tree? This was made by Korag. What do you guys think about this tree? Yo, Korag. Hello. Hello, hello, Korag. I'm waiting for your reply. I think he's in college and he W tree, but I know trees W, but there's something better than tree. See this, see this landscape. I think it looks so good. I have never met this kind of thing before, and this is my first time creating a landscape, and I think this looks really good. And I gotta ask one thing to correct. Can you hear me or you? Wait a second. I guess we were walking on something. So I have to go to my network input manager and network input data to be precise. I need a bull. This is gonna be place AI. Okay. Wait a second. I don't understand what this. I don't understand how. Loud and clear. Oi, let's go, let's go. Let's go. You don't have a college today, Kurag. I thought you would be in college. That's why I didn't call you. I thought of calling you before this stream. Wait a second. How are we gonna implement this? I thought it was gonna be easy, but we are gonna create a variable for a boolean basically for this to be true. And where are we gonna store this data? So in our on input. Header placement on the server. What the fuck, guys? I think this is complicated as fuck. I thought it was gonna be easy, but it has a lot of steps. So let's follow ChatGPT whatever he tells us to do, because we don't know shit. We don't know anything. Okay, first after we put after we have set up our boolean, now it's time to use make some changes over here. So after we get the button down, then we're gonna go here, and if hits a ground mask, then we are gonna I think we need two more. We need of this two more of these variables for this as well. So let's
It's nice to hear your voice again. I've waited all day long, even wrote a song for you. It's strange the way you make me feel. With just a word or two, I'd like to do the same for you. It's nice to hear you say hello. And how are things with you? I love you. But very soon it's time to go. An office job to do while I'm here writing songs for you. Strange how a phone call can change your day, take you away, away from the feeling
Now,
of being alone. Bless the
inside our
telephone.
on input. Correct. I think I asked you something that you didn't
Not
have your
very
college
fast
today,
nor slow,
but you
just
didn't reply.
soft and low, the same as
So
when you
that
tell me
means
how
you
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 feel.
are you are watching
I
this
feel
stream
the
on
same way
mute,
too.
or you
I'm
could be
very
in your
much in
college
love with
while
you.
watching this stream. I guess that's the reason you are not replying to me. So I'm gonna
I'm very
text.
much in
I'm
love
gonna
with you.
add those in text. Insert my player with my input. Player input. Player input. Inside our network data on input. If pending plays, then but we don't have pending plays in our. Okay, you mean so I have to add this in my input script? Okay, okay, that makes sense. Because I thought, I think this is the way to do. But my fielding manager, I thought we need to add this here, but this is not here. Just go a page around it. Home. Then why are you not replying to me? I have to text you. I had to text you to get your reply. Why is that correct? I don't understand that. Or is my voice really low that you can't hear me? Let's go to player input, and we need now inside our update function, inside right here somewhere. This is up to here, so we can do it here. If so, we don't have this local filter check for here, so I think we need to get that here as well. If local filter. If is local filter, if we it's not local filter, then we can return. Now here we're gonna check for network input, not the network input but the input. If input get, I think we have all of our input here. See, this is our input, and you see this is our input as well. So we have to, so this is the part where all of our input lies. If we press the left click, then what we wanna do is we wanna, so now we need placement camera, we need the reference from placement camera as well. I think it's too much. I don't think we had to do all of this. We could just have given a reference that yes, the mouse button is clicked from here to that script, and all of the recasting thing has been handled by that script. That's what I think, but I don't know why ChatGPT has given me this method. So let me ask ChatGPT if that's possible, that I pass my input from my this script to that script, and the rest of the things can be handled by my other script. Okay. Now ChatGPT is agreeing with me. Dun, 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 dun.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a
Dun,
fallen
dun, dun,
palm
dun,
tree. I felt
dun,
branches of
dun,
it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is
Is
this the place that I've been dreaming of?
Let's click. Okay. So that we go somewhere only know. Where are you? We go. Let's go, baby. Let's click.
I wanna hold the hand inside you. I wanna take a breath
So now,
that's true.
if we go here,
I look to you and I see nothing.
now update. We don't need this.
I look to you to see the
Which is
you live your life, you grow in shadow. You'll come apart and you'll go black. Some kind of night into your darkness. Close your eyes with what's not there. Fade into you. Strange you never meet. Fade into you. I think it's strange.
let's see if this did anything good for us. I don't think this is also gonna work, but let's see. Yo, correct. Why don't you rank your top 5 Valorant players of all time? Let's see. One, two, three. For the first guy, it did work, but the main thing that we want to check is for the second guy. Okay, if this guy is able to place AI fielders as well, then say it's not working. I knew it would not work. Wait a second. Could it be? Let's say this we are running till here. Let's see if we. Hello, hello, correct. I think I asked something to you in the chat, but I didn't check the chat. Yes. If strike one, then we have this. So if strike one or strike one, it's a boolean. So we should have a similar structure for the strike one means what the fuck, man. This is a strike. So we're basically making this as true here. And where are we calling this from? I don't know where we are calling that from. I think we are calling that from another script. So if it gets true, then we are going into this animation, which could be the case. So I'm trying to figure out if I can apply similar kind of structure for my touch input or the AI filters input as well. So for that, what do I need to put here? That's what I'm trying to figure out. If this, then we have place click as true. Then if we have our place click, then we can just set our data to our networking filter over here. Place AI is true. Okay.
Walking Scott Street feeling like a stranger
So now
with an open
we have set our data,
container.
and how are we gonna take this data that
I've got a
I have to see
steering
here.
wheel and a tall can.
We have to get this.
It's a shower beer, it's a payment
We have to use
plan.
this in our fixed update network, I guess.
There's helicopters over my head every night when I go to bed.
Yes, yes.
Spending money
I don't understand this, man.
everywhere.
How do I make this work?
When I'm lonely, that's when I'll burn it. Do you feel
And this is a mono behavior script. We can't use network behavior here, but I think we can change it.
I asked you, how is your sister?
For update, we can use
I heard you got her degree. And I said that makes me feel old. You said, what does that make me? I asked you how it's playing drums. You said it's too much shit to carry. And what about the band? You said they're all getting married. Do you feel
hello, hello, Korek. Hello, Korek. Are you watching the stream, Korek? Hello. If you are watching, then I have a question for you in the chat. Why don't you take a look at that? Let's see if this did any good for us. I don't think this is still gonna work, but still. Ew, what the fuck, I forgot to paste the AI filters. 1, 2, 3. See, it's not working. Or I think this line of code could be what's could be the reason for our player to not been able to place, because I think his local fielder, I think this is not getting changed, so I have to figure out if all of these are running correctly, then I can move to this. So for now I think this is where we part ways. So I have to go out for some times, so I'll be back. I'll stream as soon as I'll be back. So till then, bye guys.